if we're talking about budget, the two biggest things that affect the budget are the scope of the work and the quality of the materials. So oftentimes I would say start with your wish list. If you're thinking about a remodeling project, whether it's a kitchen or a bathroom or an addition or whatever it might be, it usually started with some sort of a need. If you're thinking about a kitchen remodel, I mean, maybe the oven broke down before your Thanksgiving dinner, or maybe your shower system is broken or something like that. So that's kind of how it started. So what to think about in terms of scope is start with your wish list, and then you can break it down into what are your must-haves and what are your nice-to-haves.
What ends up happening is we go into a house and we're just looking at the kitchen. But as we walk in the house, we're seeing little things, or the homeowner is pointing out little things. Oh, that door sticks. Oh, that light fixture doesn't work. Every little thing costs a little bit of money. And you put together enough nickels and dimes and you're talking about a lot more money than just, the original kitchen scope.
I think one of the big elements that people don't think about is moving around plumbing and how much cost it can add. You're opening up walls, and moving around plumbing is expensive because you have different trades that are involved. You might have to bring things up to code. So just because you think maybe moving your kitchen sink from one place to another seems like a small thing, it involves a lot of cost. Working with the designer is a great way to bring that vision together and then staying on track with the budget.
One of the things that can be an easy adjustment to make is not moving things, but what you might not have thought of is something as simple as even the electrical outlets. Rather than laying them out from scratch, can we just work with where they are now? That can end up saving a little bit in the end. So it seems like budget and scope are never perfectly aligned from the beginning, but that's okay. It's really natural to start off with a bit of a mismatch there, and then to go through that discernment process to really figure out what's going to work for you. So I would say that it's very common that budget and scope are not aligned from the beginning, but that's just the first step.